We're back up on the roof. Well, not on the roof. We're actually on the lift. You can see quite a ways up. And this is where we put in the liner last night. We're just coming back up to inspect it. We're going to cut it off, cap it, finish putting the screws in, silicone some more. There's another thing here that goes here, and then the cap, and then we'll double check any silicone spots. We brought it on the roof last night, and then about 5 people, we worked it down through and just barely got it in. It was a very snug fit. Thank goodness we ordered the heavy duty, or we probably would have crushed it. Well, we would have crushed it, no question. So it worked out really good now that it's in. Took us over 4 hours to do it because of all the catches, and we had to take it slow, and there was a few times I thought we'd have to pull it back out and get a different one, but turned out we got it in. We had to switch the screw on the pull thing one time because it was hitting right at the top, right in the first 3 feet. You can see how the chimney shrinks. Well, you can see it better this way. And then down below we had to switch over about on the 3rd floor, so into that roof line. Well, that's the attic there, and then down below would be the 3rd floor. So it was probably 15 or 20 feet into it. Yeah, probably 20 feet, and then we had to go the last 55-foot total. And once we get this tape off, we'll probably take a photo of the end so you can see how it's made, but it's a single wall, but very heavy duty.